Hi, how are you friends? You are watching my YouTube channel Zeto Tech. In this channel, I will tell you about the next part of video. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. After finish your logo design, ensure that your logo design is complete and you satisfied with after final result. Select the logo and click your logo design to select it. Make sure the all element of your logo is selected. Choose the file format. Go to the file menu to the top of left corner of the Illustrator window. Export option from the drop down menu. Select export to choose export as. Select as a JPG format. In this export dialog box, you will various file format option. Choose JPG file format. You can save the new files and you can after open the YouTube size logo. You can check here is open the new tab. You can paste your logo here and after you can paste your logo. Please save as a web. You can save your file as source file and also save for web for JPG. Illustrator will confirm that your file has been saved. Click your folder and open the folder you selected earlier to confirm that your logo JPG file has been saved in your PC. By following step, you should able to save your logo as JPG file from Adobe Illustrator to computer like this. Please save as a JPG. Also, if you are interested in make the PNG file, you can select the JPG to PNG file and it's very easy. The background remove is design your logo using Adobe Illustrator ensures the logo is a vector format for the best result and future result. Prepare your logo for animation. Once your logo design is ready, import the alter effect. You can do by the going file import and then select the logo file like I save from Zeto Tech D. You can check this. I already save one composition setting. After Effect will create a composition based on your logo dimension. Adjust the composition setting as need. Zeto Tech is my channel name. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You can see I also change the background of Zeto Tech now. I will send or arrange and send to the back. You can check the new result. I also save this JPG file in my PC. You can check and then next video I will upload my YouTube logo in my YouTube channel. So this is my second video in my channel. I hope you like my video. Use the RAM preview function in the After Effects to preview your animation and make the adjustment as need. Once you are satisfied with your logo animation, you can export by going composition and the rounder cube panel. Select your desired setting. You can open the PC like download folder and you can see the not you can write the Zeto tag. When I write Zeto tag, there is some more logos come in my PC. So please, by following this tab, you can create logo design and best method for logo design is very easy and design you created in Adobe Illustrator. Remember the experiment with different animation and technique effect to your life. So please check the final look of logo design. I hope you like my video.